Start small, finish big. Do you know which business has the largest number of branches in this world? It's Subway. Both Subway and McDonald's are in this competition to lead the game.
As per the current scenario, the Subway is the largest chain of restaurant which is
leading McDonald's. Mr. Fred DeLuca became an entrepreneur at his age of 16 and today he owns the largest chain of restaurants. The founder of Subway, Mr. Fred DeLuca, gave us a lot of useful information from his experience through the book Start Small, Finish Big. The author shares his sweet experience through this. He explains 15 key points for the entrepreneurs who are starting their business.
Let's dive into a glimpse of this interesting and useful book
in our view, which everyone needs to go through. Key point number 1. Start small. My friend's father is running hotel business in a town and he wishes to hand over the business to his son, whereas his son is interested to develop that business as a huge restaurant. His son wishes to start big but he didn't take any action towards his idea. It is always better to start small instead of thinking big without any action. If we look at the history of some successful enterprises, they have started their business small and then grown big. Today, its value is very high. Most of the people are considering themselves as very smart to start a huge business but they are not taking proper action toward it. It is always better to start small instead of having huge plans without action. Key point number 2. Earn a few pennies. Most of the people are looking for quick money to get rich quickly while starting their business. It's not wise to expect the fruit immediately after planting a seed. The author is advising to earn the profit in a few pennies before earning in dollars, and he also said that this is one of the main reasons for him to become a millionaire. Key point number 3. Begin with idea. There are a lot of people starting their business by seeing a motivational program or because of someone's suggestion without having their business idea. One of my friends said that he has decided to start a business due to the overpressure in his office. He was planned to start the business with his savings and actually he doesn't have any business plan. He blindly invests in some business by trusting some fancy ideas of his friends and now he lost all his savings without owning a proper business. The author's advice is not to start a business without having clarity in that business. How to start a business when there is no clarity? The author is providing a great solution for it. He is asking to solve any problem in society and make that as a business. We can easily get the right business idea when we think about the solution to that problem in society. Key point number 4. Think like a visionary. Think in the long term. Even though the business earns profit for now and if it doesn't have any future for it, then it is better to think about the futuristic business now. You should have a clear 2 years vision and 10 years vision of the business. You should have the clarity of the value of your business after 10 years. Key point number 5. Keep the faith. Have faith in your business and in your actions. Don't prefer the business as a chance. It is always better to not establishing a business while comparing with the half-minded faith to start a business. You should have a strong mind to win that business while establishing that business. Key point number 6. Ready, fire, aim. It's not aim and fire. The author asks to fire and then aim it later if we are ready to go. While observing the previous points, if we have faith in our business, if we have a great idea, if we have a clear vision, then we need to start small. That's it. We should not be in analysis paralysis mode. Do you know that the analysis makes you paralysis? If we want to shoot, just shoot. Don't get into a deep analysis mode. Those who are analyzing more will never shoot properly. Key point number 7. Profit or perish. The expenses must be in control. A good businessman should have the expense in control. Having the expenses in control is more important than making a profit. You need to be more conscious even to spend every penny. Most of the successful entrepreneurs became the emperors in their field with this one single quality of controlling the expense. Keeping the expense in control is a key point for any business success. Key point number 8. Be positive. Be positive always with the success mindset. If you are running a business, it becomes an essential quality of being positive always. If you have decided to establish a business, you should have more self-confidence than others. You need to face a lot of criticizers to discourage you while becoming a good businessman. To handle those criticizers, you need to have more self-confidence. You should act like a power station to spread the positivity to others. Key point number 9. Continuously improve your business. It is an essential requirement for a businessman to improve your business consistently. You need to keep thinking for the next growth. Just say, what next with yourself. To improve yourself, you can make use of the videos in our channel. Key point number 10. Believe in your people. Don't ever have a resource without belief. Ensure whether there are right people in the right place and trust them. Key point number 11. Never run out of money. This is a common mistake made by most entrepreneurs. They spend the entire profit money. Never do that. Always reserve a part of your profit. Key point number 12. Attract new customers every day. Never saturate on your business and don't do the business only to make the profit. You need to increase your customer base to increase your profit. Don't have enough mindset in the business. Attract new customers every day. Key point number 13. Be persistent, don't give up. Some entrepreneurs blame their marketing, promotion, field, partner, finance, customer, situation, government, and even weather for their business failure. But the main reason for business failure is giving up. If you go through the history of any successful people, you can find many failures and setbacks in their business. The only reason for their success is their persistence. If we need to become a successful entrepreneur like them, we need to think differently with persistence. Never ever give up. Key point number 14. Build a brand name. Building a brand is equally important as making a profit. We usually purchase many products only because of the trust in that brand. The brand makes our business strong even after our life. Key point number 15. Opportunity awaits for no one.
At some point, everyone will get opportunities.
We need to make use of that opportunity in a better way. If we miss it, the author says that it never waits for you. He explains that from his own experience that he tries to lend $1,000 from his friend for his studies. His friend gave that money along with an opportunity to establish a small sandwich shop nearby to share the profit. He utilizes that opportunity and makes a kingdom of the subway. If he refused that opportunity that day, then he may miss a huge chance to become a multimillionaire. Never miss an opportunity. One more additional key point to success is listening to such inspiring books glimpse from our channel by subscribing it. These are a glimpse of the book Start Small Finish Big by Fred DeLuca. If the information from this book makes sense to you, you can purchase this book through the below description to add more value to your life. Please mark your comments about this book in this video. You can suggest other books you want us to share a glimpse like this. Like and subscribe to this channel, and if you feel it is useful for your friend, you can share it. Thanks for watching it.